Alright guys, got the head gasket right here. Actually I think it's my first time seeing this. I didn't even open the box until a 151 thickness right here. Alright, let's go ahead and install this now. Alright, so we're getting the head gasket on. This looks correct right here. Alright. Now, I want to hit the threads now. Sheesh. Some thick metal right here, man. Like a ruined threads going down. Alright. Like what I see. Everything's correct. Water jackets. Alright, alright. Now it's time for that head. Now this one. Okay, water jackets. Double check. Alright. 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 Now it's time for the head. Alright, we're gonna clean the head now. Just a little oil on there. Nothing much. Nice and shiny. Alright. Oops. Yeah, make sure you guys have if you ever do this, make sure you have some air so you can blow out with this lint that's coming out of this towel right here.